Hello children, welcome to your online class of SST. Today we will discuss chapter 8, The Daring Deserts. A desert is an area which receives scanty rainfall that is less than 25 cm per year or no rainfall at all. They cover a large part of the earth. They lie between 15 degree to 30 degree north and 15 degree to 30 degree south of the equator. They are found in both the hemispheres. They are located mostly near the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Deserts can be broadly classified into two categories: hot deserts and cold deserts. Now examples of hot deserts. This is Sahara Desert, which is located in North Africa. And this is Thar Desert, which is located in our country and in Pakistan. Now examples of cold deserts. This is Gobi Desert, which is located in northern China and southern Mongolia. And this is Patagonian Desert, which is situated in Argentina and Chile. The two polar regions are known as the polar deserts. First, Antarctica region, and second, Arctic region. Climate. Climate is extremely hot and dry here. There is hardly any rainfall. Because of the lack of humidity, the temperature variation between the day and night is extreme. The deserts get heated very fast, making days very hot. The deserts also cool down very quickly after sunset, so nights become very cool. Since there is an extreme difference between temperature of day and night, which results in breaking down of rocks, sandstorms are common in all seasons. Vegetation. Very few plants grow here, which can withstand hot and dry weather. They have long roots, which go deep into the soil to absorb water. Children, this is acacia plant, which is found in the deserts. डेजर्ट प्लांट्स में लीव्स नहीं होते या बहुत ही कम लीव्स होते हैं. लीव्स की जगह डेजर्ट प्लांट्स में थॉर्न्स होते हैं, कांटे होते हैं. लुक हियर, दिस इज कैक्टस प्लांट which is also found in the deserts. Or children, this is baobab plant which is also found in the deserts. Desert plants have thick stems with wax-like coating which also prevents water loss by evaporation. तो चिल्ड्रन, आपने देखा अकेशिया, कैक्टस और बाओबेब जैसे प्लांट्स डेजर्ट्स में पाए जाते हैं. वाइल्ड लाइफ. डेजर्ट्स में एनिमल्स को वाटर और फूड की कमी और इंटेंस हीट को सहना पड़ता है. Many animals hide in the shade during the day and come out in night for hunting food. Armadillo lizard, spadefoot toad, sand grouse, roadrunner, desert jacko, etc. are some animals found in deserts. अब चिल्ड्रन, आप कहोगे मैडम ने कैमल का नाम तो लिया ही नहीं. No doubt, camel is the most important and useful animal in a desert. It can store food in the form of fat stored in its hump, and so it can stay without food for days. Its padded feet do not sink in the sand. It can easily walk on the sand. That is why it is called the sheep of the desert. Its eyelashes prevent the sand particles from entering into its eyes and protect the camel from sunlight also. It can close its nostrils to prevent sand particles from getting inside the nose. और चिल्ड्रन, इस कैमल के 2 हम्प्स हैं. ये हमने बुक में रीड नहीं किया. इसे हम बैक्टीरियन कैमल कहते हैं. Camels with 2 humps are found in the Gobi Desert of Mongolia, and they are called Bactrian camels. Clear children? Human life. Deserts में human population बहुत कम है. Mostly nomadic tribes like the Bedouins of North Africa and the Tuaregs of Western Sahara live in the desert. These tribes move in search of oases. An oasis is a place where underground water comes to the surface to form a pool and is the fertile part in the desert. The deserts are rich in minerals like iron ore, copper, petroleum, and natural gas. डेजर्ट नेशंस जैसे कि सऊदी अरेबिया, कुवैत, इराक और ईरान, इनकी इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ का मेन सोर्स जो है वो है एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट्स. सो चिल्ड्रन, दिस लेसन हैज़ बीन कंप्लीटेड. ओके, बाय, टेक केयर.